Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit video in Capcut mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Capcut application, and first of all, let's just create a new project in Capcut. We can click on new project, and here you can add a video that you want to edit with Capcut. If you don't have any footage to be edited, you can actually access the Capcut library. Then here you will be able to access a lot of videos based on its category. And I'm just going to add this video. For example, we can click on add, and now the video has been added to my Capcut project. And here I'm going to show you the basic tutorial on how to edit video in Capcut, guys. The first one, I'm going to show you how we can cut the video. If you want to cut the video, you can click on the video, then you can click on split right here. Then you can delete the unwanted part like this. Just click on delete. And as you can see, guys, if we edit video with Capcut, we will get the Capcut watermark. And don't worry, because you can remove this watermark. You just need to click on this ending, then you can click on delete. And the second one, I'm going to show you how you can speed up or slow down a video. You can click on the video, select speed, and here you can choose normal or curve. And I'm just going to select normal. Then I'm going to make it 2 times faster, for example. Then we can click on this check mark. Okay, and then the third one, I'm going to show you how we can change the aspect ratio of our video. If you want to change the aspect ratio, you can click on aspect ratio right here, and I'm going to select this one, this 9:16 ratio, and I'm going to zoom in, guys. Okay, and I'm going to make it centered. All right. And the fourth one, I'm going to show you how we can add effect to our video to make our video more captivating. Here in Capcut, you will be able to access a lot of effects. You can go to effect section, and here you can select body effect or video effect. Here I'm going to select the video effect. I'm going to add, for example, butterflies effect. I'm going to add the butterfly wings to my video. I'm gonna go with this one, guys. Okay, and now the effect has been added to my video, and we can make the effect align with the video by dragging the effect like this. Okay, and after we add effect to our video, I'm going to show you how we can add music, audio, or sound to our video. You just need to click on add audio right here, or you can also go to this audio section. I'm going to click on audio and click on sounds, and here you can get music from Capcut. You can access a lot of musics right here based on its theme. And if you want to add music from your device, you can click on this icon, then you can select device. And for example, I'm gonna go with this one. We can click on this plus button to add the music to our Capcut project. Okay, and now the music has been added, and I'm going to cut the music. Okay, and now it's done, guys, and this is the result. Okay, and I think the basic tutorial is enough, and that's how we can edit video in Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you, especially for you Capcut beginners. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.